Good morning. I just wanted to say hi and thank you all for joining me on this page. It means a lot to me. The page where I will be talking about facing fears and living your purpose. But I also actually want to talk a little bit about different aspects on healing, because the book is called Reflections on Healing. And there's so many levels on healing. One of my teachers, he always said, you cannot heal what you cannot feel, which is so true. There is no way you can just, scoop it under the rug and pretend it's not there. You gotta listen to it. You gotta, sorry, I just walked up a hill. You gotta listen to it. You gotta look at it and see what it is and face the fears. So in my mind, and what I have seen is that the levels of healing are 3 or maybe 4 even. The first one we're thinking about is the physical. If you get sick, if we break a leg, or if we get cancer or something, we always want to be healed as quickly as possible. We want it to go away, just go away. So that's like the physical feeling, or healing. But the thing is that if you get that physical level only, then there's a whole other aspect of the emotional, what you have been through. There's the mental aspect of it. What if it's not gone? What if it comes back? And there's also the more spiritual level, I would say. And to me, that's more like, where is my place in this world? So when I'm talking about this in the book, actually, about these different levels, it's so important that we not only focus on the physical healing. We have to look at the mental. We have to look at the emotional healing. When I worked with Brian, because I knew from the start that his cancer was terminal, and he only had 7 months to live. Of course, we didn't know that by then, but I could see it went quickly. But the physical healing wasn't there. That was not a possibility. But we worked on the mental healing, we worked on the emotional healing, and on the spiritual healing. And that was a beautiful thing, because if you heal on all those other levels, then you can actually leave this world with peace. You're done. I'm finished here. My body has done it, and I'm ready to move on. And to die without anxiety or worry, or just letting go. I think that's one of the biggest gifts that we could give to anybody. So I just wanted to say that. I know I get a little bit too deep sometimes, but I mean, this is going to be a deep page, and I'd love to hear what you think about it. And as I said, I will also post a few passages. I have my dog here behind me. No, she left. She's ready to go. So anyhow, my rambling thoughts for this morning, just wanting to give you those aspects on healing, that it's not just the physical, it's the emotional, the mental, and also the spiritual healing that is important. And that goes for all of us. And with that, I just wish you a wonderful day. I will continue my walk in this woods. I've just climbed up the hill, so now it's straightforward for a while. Have an awesome day, and face your fears, live your purpose. Bye.